Hey guys, it's Brian. Today I'm going to talk to you guys about how to use an array and what is an array. An array is pixels of a pictures that go through the length or width of a pictures. And what we do is we can modify those arrays or print the value of those arrays to what we need. As you can see here, I set the integer index value to 0. Then the index is less than 8, so it's going to grab 8 pixels in an array. Hey guys, so this is the red value in an array or pictures, and what an array will do, my array is going to grab the green value, which is these values right here in the middle in the picture that I'm going to select. Sorry about my drawing. And that will print out what the value is going to be. And with that, what it does is that it will print from 0 to 8, which is somewhere out here. And that is because I put it. It's gonna loop through like this, all the way to here, all the way to here. So that's when the wheel gonna loop. So guys, I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna run this. I compile already. Now I'm gonna run the pixel array. I'm gonna choose my pictures real quick. This is my pictures right here. The green value. Obviously 225, which is the brightest color each of them can go up to. That is the green value of these guys right here. Another thing is that when I use a while loop, if I put pixel array dot length instead of whatever that was, it's gonna loop through the whole entire pixels of my picture from here all the way to here. It's like 344, 350, and loop again and again and again and again because of the pluses that we did there. So let's just say I'm gonna put I less than 10 now. I can change it to green value, blue value. I'll show you guys what my blue value is gonna be. Because it's white, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be. Pretty sure it's got it. So now that I changed everything to blue, keep the name the same. I just don't want to change it. I got lazy. And let's see what they'll print us out now. Run it. After I compile, should be able to run. Gonna print out 10 pixels of wherever the array is. And let's go to downloads. Don't worry what it is. And I print out the blue value is 255 for 10 pixels. So let's say 10 and 10. Look at that. It's 255 for blue because it's white, which is the brightest color of whatever it is. And another thing with these, the for loop is that it's gonna loop through to the end of the loop and then go down and loop all over again. The integers is 0 because we all want us to start at 0. And yeah, that should be it. Thanks guys.